feel tightness in my hips today.
On the front or back?
More towards the back.
Okay. You been sitting a lot?
Yeah. Yep. More on my right side than my left.
Well, I'm going to start here. We're just kind of push and open this space up a little bit. Tender?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what I'm trying to do is actually kind of try to decompress that lower back just a bit and kind of get rid of some of that muscle tension. It's a good hurt, right?
Yes.
And your right leg's a little shorter than your left today, so we're going to try to correct a little bit of that imbalance. We'll do that with a couple drops and the side adjustment.
Okay.
Good. Deep breath in. All the way out. Mm-hmm. Good. Deep breath in. There we go. Good. All right. Go ahead and breathe one more time. Good.
Mm-hmm.
So right here, you feel that? That's C1. That's the top vertebrae in your neck.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to go ahead and move that. Relax. Good. And just like that, it's back in place. One more. Mm-hmm. Beautiful.